It's such a joy to stand here today and speak to you. You know, sometimes when I look back at my journey, I wonder, how did this all happen? From being a poor boy in Hangzhou to founding Alibaba, one of the biggest e-commerce companies in the world, it feels like a dream. But let me tell you something, it wasn't luck. It wasn't some magic. It was about focus, hard work, and making sure I wasn't wasting my time on useless things. Now I know you're young, full of energy, and life is exciting. You want to try everything. But there's one big lesson I want to give you today. Don't waste your time on useless things. It's a trap. And trust me, time is the most valuable resource you have. Once it's gone forever. You see, when I was young, I wasted a lot of time. I applied for 30 jobs and got rejected from all of them. KFC rejected me. Even the police didn't want me. There was a time when I thought maybe I'm just not good enough. Maybe I should give up. But then I realized something very important. I was focusing on the wrong things. Instead of chasing after opportunities that weren't right for me, I needed to find my purpose and focus on that. So let me give you some advice on what not to waste your time on. 1, don't waste time on complaining. I see so many young people today complaining about everything. The government isn't helping us. The economy is bad. My parents don't understand me. Come on. Life is tough, yes, but complaining is like rocking a chair. You feel like you're doing something, but you're going nowhere. When I started Alibaba, I faced countless challenges. There were days we had no money, no support, and everyone thought we were crazy. Did I complain? No. I focused on finding solutions. Complaining is a waste of energy. Instead, ask yourself, what can I do to change my situation? Because no one else is going to do it for you. 2, stop comparing yourself to others. This is a big one, especially in today's world where you have Instagram, TikTok, and all these social media platforms showing you everyone's perfect life. Let me tell you something, it's all fake. People only show you the good parts, never the struggles. You see someone driving a fancy car, but you don't see the sleepless nights they went through to get there. When I was younger, I used to compare myself to people all the time. I'd think, oh, he's more successful than me, or she's smarter than me, but that kind of thinking is poison. It stops you from focusing on your own journey. Instead of wasting time comparing, use that time to improve yourself. Learn a new skill. Work on your weaknesses. That's how you become successful, by focusing on you, not on what everyone else is doing. 3, don't chase quick success. Everyone wants to be rich overnight. Young people today want instant results. But let me tell you, success doesn't happen that way. It takes time, patience, and a lot of hard work. I remember when I started Alibaba, it was a struggle for years. We didn't make any profit for the first few years. There were times I thought we wouldn't make it, but we kept going because we believed in the long-term vision. If you're always chasing quick success, you'll end up disappointed. True success comes from dedication, persistence, and sticking to your goals even when things get tough. So, stop looking for shortcuts. There aren't any. Trust the process and put in the work. 4, avoid negative people. Now this is a big one. I've seen so many young people surround themselves with negative people who do nothing but bring them down. Oh, you can't do that. You'll never make it. It's impossible. Listen, if I had listened to all the negative people in my life, I'd still be teaching English in Hangzhou. I wouldn't have started Alibaba. I wouldn't have believed in myself. You need to surround yourself with people who lift you up, not drag you down. People who believe in your dreams, even when they seem impossible. Because trust me, there will be days when you doubt yourself. And on those days, you need people around you who say, keep going, you've got this. 5, don't procrastinate. This is another big trap. You think you have all the time in the world, so you keep pushing things off. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll start next week. But before you know it, years have gone by and you're still in the same place. I've seen so many people waste their potential because they're always waiting for the right time. Guess what? There's no perfect time. The best time to start is now. When I had the idea for Alibaba, I didn't wait. I didn't think, oh, I'll start when the market is better, or I'll wait until I have more experience. I started with what I had, and it wasn't much. Just a group of friends and a lot of determination. If I had waited, someone else would have come along and taken the opportunity. Don't let that happen to you. 6, don't be afraid of failure. Now, this is something very close to my heart. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a part of it. I failed so many times in my life, I lost count. I failed my university entrance exam twice. I was rejected from jobs. My first 2 companies failed, but every time I failed, I learned something. I improved. And that's what success is about, learning from your failures. Young people today are so afraid of failing that they don't even try. But let me tell you, if you're not failing, you're not trying hard enough. You need to get out of your comfort zone, take risks, try new things. And if you fail, so what? Get up and try again. 7, don't focus on money. I know this sounds strange coming from someone who's made billions of dollars, but it's the truth. If your only goal is to make money, you're going to fail. When I started Alibaba, I wasn't thinking about making money. I was thinking about how I could help small businesses in China connect with the world. I was focused on solving a problem, and the money came later. If you're chasing money, you'll never be satisfied. There will always be more to chase. But if you focus on creating value, on solving problems, the money will come. Trust me on this one. 8, don't ignore your health. Now, this is one that people don't talk about enough. When you're young, you feel invincible. You think you can work 24/7, party all night, and still be fine. But let me tell you, your health is the foundation of everything. If you don't take care of it, you won't be able to enjoy any success you achieve. When I was building Alibaba, I worked so hard that I often neglected my health. I didn't eat properly, didn't exercise, didn't sleep enough. And guess what? It caught up to me. I had to make changes. So don't make the same mistake. Take care of your body because you only get one. 9, don't stop learning. The world is changing so fast. What you know today might be outdated tomorrow. If you stop learning, you'll get left behind. I'm always learning, reading books, attending conferences, talking to smart people. That's how you stay ahead. When I was younger, I wasn't the smartest guy in the room. I wasn't good at math, I didn't know anything about computers, and my English wasn't great. But I had a passion for learning. I was curious about the world, and I wanted to improve myself, and that's what made the difference. So keep learning, whether it's a new language, a new skill, or just reading a book. Never stop improving yourself. 10, don't forget to give back. This is the most important one. No matter how successful you become, never forget to give back. Success is not just about how much money you make. It's about how much of a difference you make in the world. At Alibaba, we're always looking for ways to give back to society, whether it's through charity, education, or helping small businesses. Remember, the more you give, the more you'll receive. So don't waste your time chasing selfish goals. Find a way to make a positive impact on the world, and success will follow. In conclusion, young people, your time is precious. Don't waste it on things that don't matter. Don't waste it on complaining, comparing, chasing quick success, or procrastinating. Focus on your goals, work hard, learn from your failures, and always keep improving yourself. And most importantly, don't forget to enjoy the journey. Success is not a destination. It's a journey. So make sure you're enjoying every step along the way. Thank you.